Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you might have already guessed that in today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful black smoky eye which looks absolutely sexy and goes with any kind of outfit, and believe me, it is very easy to do and this is one of my favorite look, by the way. So if you are interested, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so today I am going to start with my eye makeup first, because whenever you do any kind of smoky eye look which is black, brown, orange, anything, start with your eye makeup first to avoid any mess further. And prepping your eyelids is one of the most important step because it will help to enhance your eye look more. That's why I am prepping 2 times to avoid the dark patches which I have around my eye area. Otherwise my eye look doesn't look good. So that's why I am prepping for 2 times, and for that I am using concealer because you really don't need any eye primer to prep your eyelids. Just use your concealer. And for the concealer, today I am using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, because this is one shade lighter than my skin tone. That's why I am using this always to prep my eyelids. Now to set the concealer, I am using a loose powder. So for that, today I am using Lakme Rose powder in the shade pink. This is a beautiful powder, you can try this. Now I am going to move on to my brows. So for that I am using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. This is absolutely favorite, and I am just filling the sparse area which I have on my brows. I am not overlining it, please don't do that, otherwise it's gonna look like a painting. Now I am going to move on to my eyes. So for that, today I am going to use Wet n Wild nude eyeshadow palette, and from that palette I am going to pick this color with a fluffy brush. I am going to apply it on my crease just to define the crease more, and I am just focusing it on my crease. I am not bringing it down to my eyelid. Now from that same palette I am going to pick this chocolatey dark brown shade, and with a pointed kind of a brush I am going to apply it on my crease. I am just patting this, I am not blending this, and I am just focusing on my crease, and I am patting the color until I am satisfying with the intensity of the color. Now with that same fluffy brush and with that same transition shade, I am now going to blend the previous color which I have used, and this is one of those basic color which you can get from any eyeshadow palette which you have. You really don't need this particular eyeshadow palette, but this is one of the most popular eyeshadow palette, by the way, and this is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. So if you haven't, go and try this eyeshadow palette. Now with the Faces Canada black kajal, I am going to apply this kajal on my eyelid, but I am focusing it on my close to my lash line. But you really don't need to be precise or perfect, just do randomly because we are gonna smudge it later. And this is one of those intense black, that's why I love this kajal. Whenever I do smoky eyes I use this kajal. Now with a dome shaped pointed brush I am smudging this kajal, and I am pulling this up towards my eyelid. You can use your finger, believe me, with your finger it will blend like magic. So if you use finger or brush, pull this up towards your eyelid. And now with a flat brush like this, or if you don't have flat brush you can use your finger also, and use the black shade which you have and apply it straight to your eyelid. But whenever you use your black eyeshadow, be very careful and take little much, then apply it on your eyelid and bring the color later. And here I am going to give you a tips that don't bring the eyeshadow up to your crease line. So if you don't know where is your crease line is, just look straight, and this is my crease line where I am pointing this. Just look straight, and if you can't understand where is your crease line starts, so just take the eyeshadow little much and look straight and apply like this. And when you close your eyes you can see the line which I am drawing. Look at this, this is my crease line, and you can get an idea where your crease line starts and ends from. So apply eyeshadow underneath the crease line. Don't bring the color up to your crease line, otherwise it's gonna look very messy and it will be very hard to blend the eyeshadow. Now take a clean fluffy brush and blend the eyeshadow which you have used, and make sure that the brush has to be clean and don't pick any color this time. Just blend the color which you have used, and it will take some time, so be patient and blend because black eyeshadow can look patchy if you don't blend it properly. So take your time and blend until the whole eyeshadow looks seamless. And when you blend this, don't bring the color up to your brow bone. There should be a gap between your eyebrow and the eyeshadow. And look at this, my right side is absolutely blended and it looks beautiful, but my left side doesn't look beautiful at all. So blend and blend until आपके हाथ दुखने न लग जाए. And now look at this, my both eyes are looking beautiful and smoky. Now to enhance my crease more, I am picking up the same chocolatey brown shade which I have used before, and with that same pointed brush I am just applying it on my crease. And don't bring the color down to your crease, and this time I am not just patting the color but I am blending it also. Now to define my outer corner more, I am picking up the same black shade which I have used, and with a fluffy brush I am just placing the color on my outer corner and I am just blending this color. And when I am blending, as you can see, I am blending this towards my eyelid. So focus on your outer corner and blend towards your eyelids, and this will help to enhance your eye look more. But don't bring this color up to your crease line. And now to finish up my look, I am applying kajal on my lower lash line. I am using that same kajal which I have used, which is Faces Canada Black Kajal, and apply this kajal on your waterline. Now with a flat brush, take that same black shade which you have used and place the black color on top of your kajal. Don't blend this right now, just place the color on your kajal and don't forget to join it with your outer corner. As you can see, I am just patting the color and joining with my outer corner. After this, take any fluffy brush or pointed brush you have and smudge the kajal, and this time don't pick any color, just smudge the kajal which you have used, and don't forget to join it with your outer corner. At this point you can stop here, apply some mascara, highlight your brow bone, and your smoky eye is absolutely done. But to add some glamour and glitter on it, I am going to add some black glitters on top of it. So for that I am going to use a MUA eyeshadow palette, and from that palette I am going to take this color. This is also a black shade but it has little bit of sparkly effect on it, and I am picking up with my finger and apply it on my eyelid. Look at this, it has a beautiful sparkly shade on it which is very sheer but it looks absolutely stunning. So if you have black shimmer, don't forget to apply it on your smoky eye. Look at this, that black glitter enhance my eye look more. Now I am going to use mascara. So for that I am using Lakme Iconic Mascara in the shade black. So if you have falsies, wear your falsies, it will enhance your eye look more. But I don't have falsies and I really don't like to wear falsies, that's why I never use falsies. And don't forget your lower lashes also. Now to finish up my face look, first I am going to use concealer on my under eye because our eye is extremely dark and smoky, so our under eye, it has to be more bright. So for that I am using that same concealer, Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. For foundation I am using Fit Me foundation in the shade 235 medium, and with it I am going to mix Wet n Wild Mega Glow liquid highlighter. I am loving this technique nowadays. Mixing liquid highlighter with foundation gives a beautiful glossy flawless base. And when you blend your foundation close to your eye area, be careful, don't mess at this point. And look at this, my face is looking absolutely stunning and glowing for that liquid highlighter. So if you have liquid highlighter, mix it with your foundation. Now to finish up my look, I am going to take this highlighting shade from that same MUA palette and highlight my inner corners and also my brow bone. So you can use any highlighter which you have, and I am using the sponge applicator, so this is not so useless as we think, right? And our eye makeup is absolutely done. Now from LA Color blush and highlighter palette, I am taking this beautiful light pink shade and apply this as a blush. So whenever you do a smoky eyes, use a light pink or light orange colored blush. So if you don't have this color of blush, you can use any nude lipstick which you have, and you apply it as a blush, or you can skip the blush, because today our main focus has to be our eyes. For lips, I am going to use Blue Heaven liquid lipstick in the shade Satin Oak and Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Pink Sugar. First, with that Blue Heaven lipstick, I am going to border my lips. So as you can see, this color is extremely dark, so don't worry, because that Wet n Wild lipstick is extremely pale, and these both two combos are my favorite nude lipstick. So as you can see, this Wet n Wild lipstick is extremely pale, and I'm going to apply it on top of that Blue Heaven lipstick and also blend this with my finger, and these two combos look absolutely sexy with black smoky eye. You can use any kind of nude lipstick which you have, and our makeup is absolutely done, and our smoky eye is done, our nude lipstick is done. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you have liked this video and enjoyed this and learned something from my video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and comment down below that how I am looking. So see you on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and the most important thing, stay safe. Bye bye.